Neon drips on the pavement's face. Street lights hum like a ghost in space. Whiskey whispers in an empty glass. The bar's got secrets it won't confess. Stools sit lonely in their Sunday best. Wabash hums with a cigarette rash. Cigarette blues on Wabash tonight. The smoke curls slow, but the pain feels right. Every drag is a memory I can't rewrite. Footsteps echo in the hollow street. Shadows dance where the city bleeds. A heartache rides the L train line. Windows fog with a breath of sin. A jukebox tune crawls under my skin. This city's a lover that don't stay mine. Oh, the rain's got rhythm, but it don't heal. It taps my shoulder, but it don't feel. Street lights hum a quiet tune. Neon blinks like a fading moon. Sidewalks crack just like my pride. Echoes whisper where dreams have died. For shot before sunrise, the glass don't lie. No alibis. Whiskey burns, but I feel alive. For shot before sunrise. Bar stools cold where you used to sit. Cigarette smoke dances won't quit. Jukebox croons, love songs, ghosts. Empty chairs, I'm the only host. city weeps, it knows my name. Lonely streets play a losing game. Fourth shot before sunrise, the glass don't lie. No alibis, whiskey burns but I feel alive. Fourth shot before sunrise. Drink's a battle I won't win. The Stratocaster moans, cries deep. Even the night's too tired to sleep. Rain's a whisper on the cracked concrete. Each step I take echoes my defeat. Streetlights flicker like they're breaking two. A city of millions, but none for you. The neon doesn't know my name. It glows for strangers just the same. Whiskey burns but it won't heal a heart like mine that forgot to feel. Bar stools empty like the promises made. Shadows dancing where dreams decay. Glass half full, but my soul runs dry. Reflections in puddles don't meet my eyes. The jukebox hums a lonely tune. A melody lost under the moon. The neon doesn't know my name. It glows for strangers just the same. Whiskey burns but it won't heal a heart like mine that forgot to feel. The city's a lover that never stays. She kisses with rain and walks away. I hold the glass say much. Sidewalk shine with a whiskey touch. Street lights broken, flickers dim. Feels like the city's sinking in. The air tastes heavy like a lie. This room's got secrets I can't buy. A room with too many secrets. They lean on the walls and stare, whispering low in the shadows. But nobody's really there. Bar stools empty, ghosts sit tall. They drink the silence, hear it fall. The mirror holds a face I know, but it's cracked so the truth won't show. The jukebox plays a song of sin. Door creaks shut, won't let me win. A room with too many secrets. They lean on the walls and stare, whispering low in the shadows. Nobody's really there. Neon's dripping on a blacktop street. Every step's a ghost that I can't meet. A whistle in the dark, it cuts so deep. Red light under the bridge, where the shadows hold their grudge. Love left me stranded on that ridge. Whiskey a whisper in an empty glass. Bar stool creaks like a haunted past. The jukebox calls, but the song won't last. Footsteps echo, they don't wait. Fate's a gambler with a loaded plate. Red like a slow, sad song. A neon flickering broken where the nights are long. Whiskey in my hand, but it don't feel strong. She left when the rain came, left without a word. Footsteps in the puddle, the only sound I heard. She left when the rain came, vanished in the blood. Empty bar stool, staring like ghosts in a row. A jukebox coughing static where the memories flow. Her shadow's in the doorway, but it won't let go. Every drop on the window, a tear she never cried. She left when the rain came, left without a word. Footsteps in the puddle, the only sound I heard. She left when the rain came, vanished in the blood. Chicago streets hum with their lonesome tune. High night icon wells like the cry of the moon. I light another cigarette, try to forget too soon. The city hums low like a restless sigh. A shadow slips past where the echoes lie. Whiskey burns slow in a chipped glass cup. Dreams in the gutter never look up. Neon echoes down the alley tonight. Red and blue flicker chasing the night. Empty bar stools hold secrets untold. This city's heart beats lonely and cold. Raintops of pavement like a fading tune. Streetlights flicker, pale as a moon. Footsteps vanish where the darkness creeps. This town's a thief that never sleeps. Windows whisper, stories unfold, memories linger, hard to hold. Neon echoes down the alley tonight, red and blue flicker chasing the night. Empty bar stools hold secrets untold. This city's heart beats lonely and cold. Strat hums through a smoky haze, notes bending softly and I'm off afraid. Lost voices linger in the heavy air. You can feel the weight, but no one's there. But no one's there.
Neons hum, it flickers low. Streetlights casting a shadow show. The bar stool creaks when no one sits. This town's a ghost with whiskey lips. Last tip for the bartender, keep the change. Pour me one more for the hurt and strain. This heart ain't broke, just rearrange. Last tip for the bartender, keep the change. The jukebox coughs a lonely tune. A saxophone cries to the moon. Empty glass, a hollow sound. Love got lost, but I'm still around. City's heartbeat skip. You stumble under the train where thunder rumbles. Oh, last tip for the bartender, keep the change. Pour me one more for the hurt and strain. This heart ain't broke, just rearrange. Last tip for the bartender, keep the change. Oh, oh, oh. Chicago's veins are paved with tears. Each step I take, it pulls me near. I see her face in every glare, but her voice is gone, just the city's air. Oh, rain is the pavement like a quiet hymn. Streetlights flicker where the shadows swim. Neon whispers paint a wall so thin. A bottle in my hand, my patience wearing grin. Alleyway at 2:14 a.m. where the silence cuts like a phantom's hymn. Heart's a jukebox, spinning broken gem. I'm alive, but I'm not with them. Empty bar stool, holding ghosts tonight. Whiskey's warm, but the room feels tight. And when I wail like a distant fight, Chicago's veins bleed cold moonlight. Every crack in the sidewalk knows my name. Every corner's a player in this quiet game. Alleyway at 2:14 a.m. where the silence cuts like a phantom's hymn. Heart's a jukebox, spinning broken gem. I'm alive, but I'm not with them. Smoke curls up like a lover's sigh. Stars are hiding, even they feel shy. The city breathes, but it don't reply. And I'm just here asking why. Street lights hum like they're singing my name. Neon flickers, but it don't feel the same. Echoes bounce off the walls of my brain. Cold coffee on the counter, whiskey by my side. Empty bar stools watching as I swallow my pride. Cold coffee on the counter and a heart I can't hide. Got teeth cutting through my coat. City whisper, but it don't take note. Every shadow feels like a sinking boat. Rain on the pavement, it's painting my past. Every drop falls slower, but nothing will last. Cold coffee on the counter, whiskey by my side, empty bar stool watching as I swallow my pride. Cold coffee on the counter, and a heart I can't hide. That jukebox ain't playing, stuck in his ways, just like me in these long lost days. Smoke curls up like a ghost in the night. I'm here, but I'm fading out of the fight. Streetlights hum a quiet tune, broken bottles, shadows strung, sidewalk cracks like maps of pain. Neon flickers, red and blue, reflections twist, they lie to you. This city knows my name. Last bar with no patron, just me and the clock. Whiskey whispers louder than the tick and the top. I'm here, but I'm gone, lost in a sad, sweet song. Bartender's ghost, he pours me true. An empty room, a bitter booze. Every chair's a story untold. Glass half full, but my heart's bone dry. This jukebox moans a goodbye sigh. The air feels 10 years old. Rain taps like fingers on the pane. Chicago weeps, it hides its pain. It hides its pain. streetlights hum a low refrain. Neon drips like midnight rain. Sidewalk cracks hold secrets deep. The loop don't talk, it just lets me weep. Monday night in the loop, whiskey whispers in my glass. Bar stools, empty shadows cast. I'm strong enough, but still I stoop. Monday night in the loop. Footsteps echo where dreams have died. The wind it howls like it's on my side. A harmonica cries from a distant hand. It's me in this city and neither will bend. The train rolls by a ghost and steel. No one knows the ache I feel. Monday night in the loop, whiskey whispers in my glass. Bar stools, empty shadows cast. I'm strong enough, but still I stoop. Monday night in the loop. Ashtrays full of burnt out stars. A jukebox moans from some old bar. I'll walk these streets till I'm just a blur. The city don't care, and neither does her. Neon flickers and the puddles on the ground. Whiskey's whisper where the silence makes a sound. Empty stool, shadows tall. This ain't a place for feeling small. Crosswind on the lakefront, cutting through my soul. Every gust is still in pieces, every wave a toll. The city's got a heartbeat, but it don't beat for me. Crosswind on the lakefront, setting my heart free. Cobblestone, they echo every step I take. Streetlights shiver and the skyline starts to ache. She left a mark deep and wide. Now Chicago holds my pride. crack. The wind hums low, it knows my pain, like a ghost train running through my veins. Crosswind on the lakefront, cutting through my soul. Every gust is still in pieces, every wave a toll. The city's got a heartbeat, but it don't beat for me. Crosswind on the lakefront, setting my heart free. A Monica cries like a broken man's dream. Blues on the breeze, tearing at the seam. The shadows stretch long, but the night won't end. Just me and the wind, my only friend. My only friend. The rain is the pavement, like a slow jazz tune. Neon signs flicker, drowning out the moon. Belmont's ghost whisper, but it won't call my name. Broken strings on Belmont, they still try to sing. A bottle of bourbon, the weight of everything. The night plays tricks, but it don't mean a thing. The bartender's wiping with no one left behind. Empty bar stool, shadows keep the time. A jukebox side, another heart's rewind. Whiskey burns a soul it learned, but the city don't stop, it just turns. Broken strings on Belmont, they still try to sing. A bottle of bourbon, the weight of everything. The night plays tricks, but it don't mean a thing. Ballet
faded nose decay.
Rain taps soft like a ghost on the pane. Streetlights hum their cold refrain. Empty bar stools like old regret. Whiskey burns, but I ain't done yet. Taxi ghosts on Michigan Ave, rolling slow through the night's black south. I ain't got nowhere to be, but the city's got its hooks in me. Neon signs bleed red and blue. Broken hearts line the avenue. Every shadow whispers a name, but none of them answer. It's all the same. Footsteps fade, they echo thin, like a story waiting to begin. Taxi ghosts on Michigan Ave, rolling slow through the night's black south. I ain't got nowhere to be, but the city's got its hooks in me. Ashtray full of forgotten nights, dreams dissolve in the bars.